So how to fix broken hour keep crashing on Steam. So this is going to be the game, and as you can see, it has a payment. For USD, this is around $22. So we're going to utilize a sample game on my library because the process is entirely the same. So for example, this is broken hour, right? You want to click on this gear icon. Click on properties right there and look for installed files. In here, select the last option that says verify integrity of game files. So after that one, click on this browse option if the problem still persists. In here, look for the exact launcher. So this is going to be Broken Arrow. Right click on it, click on Run as Administrator. Once that's 2 steps are done, I'm confident the problem is going to be fixed. However, for example, the problem is still persisting. Let's move on for step 3. So you have to know what kind of processor or GPU you have. For example, I have AMD. So I'm going to type in there AMD drivers. Click on it right here and look for my drivers, because if you select on your Windows, click on Device Manager. Even though you click on Device Adapters right there, right click and update driver, that won't really do a thing. So you gotta have to go to the website itself, look for the exact item. For example, on here, I'm gonna go for graphics. In here, I'm gonna select the exact graphics I'm looking for. For example, the RX 9000 series or 7000 series, and look which one is yours. Now click on Submit, and this website will give the specific kinds of versions you have for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Same goes for NVIDIA. The process for this one is perfectly the same. So look for the drivers on your end. If it's going to be RTX Pro, manual driver search, and basically click on Find, and it will give you the latest versions that you can download and install on your device. That's going to be step number 3. Now, the problem is still persisting, right? So go back on Steam right there, basically uninstall the application itself, and reinstall it. And that's it.